Bullish Bitcoin money cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $563.10 and $1,063.63 by 2030. Market investigators expect BCH could reach $437.97 by 2025. Bearish Bitcoin money market cost expectation for 2023 is $100.11. Bitcoin money presentation. One of the most famous forks of the first Bitcoin network is Bitcoin money. The thought for the cryptographic money was motivated by despondency with where Bitcoin was taking, which was away from Satoshi Nakamoto's unique arrangement for it to work as a computerized cash. The production of Bitcoin money, what works more like a cash than a store of significant worth, lighted a savage debate between defenders of Bitcoin and other people who felt that Bitcoin should have been ready to exchange all the more rapidly and efficiently. Close to this time, a purported nationwide conflict broke out, with allies of Bitcoin money dismissing Bitcoin and pronouncing it to as of now not be the genuine Bitcoin. Then, in August 2017, Bitcoin money was made because of a fork. It had a promising start, however, has encountered unrest from that point forward. Despite the fact that Bitcoin money is intended to be a more valuable cash, fans of digital currencies much of the time put resources into it. The coin's cost has the commonplace market unpredictability. Yet many individuals accept its future will be more brilliant and will offer more noteworthy benefit in the next long stretches of time. What is Bitcoin money? Despite the fact that it isn't the most established, Bitcoin money is one of the greatest and most popular forks of the digital currency. Not long before Bitcoin accomplished its past all-time high of $20,000 toward the finish of 2017, Bitcoin money was created. It extended the size of the blocks in the chain to empower more exchanges to rapidly be handled more. It's fascinating to take note of that the digital currency split into Bitcoin Money ABC and Bitcoin Money SV in November 2018. This shows an eagerness to keep Bitcoin and digital currencies overall advancing. But BCH's forking was basically spurred by Bitcoin's 1 megabyte block size limitation. Since blocks couldn't oblige the expansion in size for exchanges stacked up and sat tight for affirmation. Accordingly, Bitcoin money proposed making blocks between 8 megabytes and 32 megabytes in size, considering the handling of additional exchanges per block. In a Bitcoin block, there are normally somewhere in the range of 1,000 and 1,500 exchanges. 25,000 exchanges for each block were recorded on the Bitcoin Money network during a pressure test in September 2018. Bitcoin Money Central Investigation. For most of its presence, Bitcoin Money clutched the main 10 monetary standards by market cap, but it has of late lost that position. The cost of the money doesn't actually come near that of Bitcoin. Even at its pinnacle, only a couple of days after Bitcoin outperformed $20,000, it simply figured out how to reach $3,643. All through its most memorable year, Bitcoin money's cost varied fiercely. However, after the finish of 2018 and up until this point, the cost has been less inconsistent yet basically moving lower. In the span of 2 months of beginning its cost history in August 2017 at $573, Bitcoin money has hit its unsurpassed high. Following that $3,000 plus top, the cost of Bitcoin money tumbled to a low of $77 per BCH, and toward the finish of 2020 it had insignificantly bounced back to reach generally $350. Bitcoin money specialized examination. Cost likewise fell under another lower low after a negative breakout from the sideways channel, proving a downtrend. Close the $100 support, it is oversold, proposing a potential section point for a swing exchange. There is a declining propensity on all time scales, including short, medium, and long haul. MACD line is over the MACD signal line. Yet RSI is under 45, hence energy is blended. The MACD histogram bars are waning, which could demonstrate a deficiency of energy. Overall volume is level, implying that it changes similarly on out-of-control days. Thus, the harmony among purchaser and vendor interest and supply is accomplished. Backing and obstruction. $100 is the nearest backing zone. $150 is the nearest obstruction zone, trailed by $200, $280, and $340. Bitcoin money is as of now worth $125.14 USD. BCH has moved 2.02% as of now with an exchanging volume of $210,365,127. Bitcoin money is as of now positioned 27 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $2,490,164,698 USD. Using the overall strength file, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal combination difference from the outline above, we can decide cost designs for Bitcoin money to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation gauges utilize constant Bitcoin money market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost expectations in light of current market movement. Bitcoin Money Value Forecast 2023. Bitcoin Money, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital currencies to rise this year. The BCH cost conjecture for 2023 expects a critical expansion in the year's last part, perhaps coming to $187.72. Likewise with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be progressive, yet no extensive drops are normal. Averaging $175.20 in cost is very aggressive, yet it is plausible sooner rather than later given expected coordinated efforts and headway. BCH is supposed to have a base worth of $150.17. Bitcoin Money Value Expectation 2024. Of every 2024, Bitcoin Money BCH cost forecast has a lot of space for extension. Because of the expected declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of BCH will before long outperform $312.86. Nonetheless, we ought to stand by to check whether the BCH's general strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, BCH will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $250.29 and a typical exchanging cost of $275.32. Bitcoin Money Value Expectation 2025. On the off chance that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $438 and BCH might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. BCH is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $400.46 and a low of $375.43 in 2025. Bitcoin Money Value Expectation 2026. Assuming Bitcoin Money effectively helps market opinion among digital currency aficionados, the BCH coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, BCH will be green in 2026. The BCH is supposed to reach and outperform its record-breaking high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual cash will be valued at $563.15, with a base cost of $500.57 and a typical cost of $525.60. Bitcoin Money Value Expectation 2027. After some broad gauging and specialized investigation, we gauge the BCH cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $650.75 by 2027, with a base cost of $625.72 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, BCH has a most extreme value worth of $688.29. Bitcoin Money Value Expectation 2028. Because representing things to come, organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $775.89. In the event that BCH figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a greatest cost of $813.43.